definitely, they begin to isolate themselves from the rest of the members of the family. Not only from their parents, but also from their other siblings. Yung nahihirapan sila sa mag-perform sa mga high pressure na sitwasyon. Hindi sila nakaka-perform dahil sinet na nung panganay kung ano yung benchmark. Hindi nila ma-release yung dapat nilang nirelease na potentially nasa kanila naman.
Isang siguro, Dok, na parang sige, middle child lang ako, hindi naman ako pinapansin. Sige, hindi na ako mag-aaral.
Technically, yung symptoms ng middle child, nandun siya nasasaklaw sa mas malawak na concept, yung tinatawag na emotional abuse. Yung emotional abuse sa family, kung hindi natin napapansin na through actions, through words, or through jokes, hindi natin alam bilang magulang o kaya bilang kapatid na mas bata, the way we treat a certain member of the family, ang dating sa kanya, it lowers your self-esteem.
So, I guess kung mga ganyan, Dok, mga emotional abuse, it doesn't necessarily pertain